Hello, Subaru enthusiasts! Today, we're about to dive into the thrilling world of the 2024 Subaru Impreza lineup. In less than a minute, we'll unveil the heart under the hood, the price tag that fits your budget, and the eye-catching colors that express your style for each model: the Convenience 5-door, Touring 5-door, RS 5-door, and Sportec 5-door. Let's get started. First, let's talk engines. The 2024 Subaru Impreza Convenience 5-door is powered by a spirited 152 horsepower, 2.0-liter direct-injection Subaru Boxer engine, delivering a perfect balance of efficiency and performance. And the best part? It starts at just $29,285. Choose from a vibrant range of colors to match your personality and taste. Next up, the 2024 Subaru Impreza Touring 5-door. It features a 152 horsepower, 2.0-liter direct-injection Subaru Boxer engine that ensures a smooth and efficient ride. Starting at $32,485, it's your ticket to style and sophistication. Explore a variety of colors to find your perfect match. For those who crave a bit more thrill, the 2024 Subaru Impreza RS 5-door is here. Its 182 horsepower, 2.5-liter direct-injection Subaru Boxer engine make every drive an exhilarating experience. Priced at just $34,285, it's available in a stunning array of colors to suit your bold personality. And last but not least, the 2024 Subaru Impreza Sportec 5-door. With its 182 horsepower, 2.5-liter direct-injection Subaru Boxer engine, it's the tech-savvy champion of the lineup. Starting at $37,285, you can choose from a wide range of colors to match your individuality. In summary, the 2024 Subaru Impreza lineup offers a car for every taste and style. Which one speaks to you? Let us know in the comments below. And remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting automotive adventures.